Alright, I'm back at it with another video. I just called me in some food because clearly I love to freaking eat. So it's this place called Pepitazo, I think. I don't really know. It's a Venezuelan spot. And I got this classic Pepitazo with chicken and cheese. I was so close to getting Bojangles because I was just craving Bojangles. But it's this one thing that I had when I was in Charlotte one time. And it was like a hot dog, but it was like a chicken strip, like a fried chicken tender with like lettuce on it. And it was like really good, and then my food will be ready, she said, like 10-15 minutes. So I can't wait. Okay, so that was actually like so perfect. Like as soon as I pulled up and I went inside, and she was literally bagging up my order, so that was great. Smells really, really good. I'm actually very glad with myself that I decided to choose something new, something I never had before. I find myself needing to start trying more new things instead of just keep going to the same places. So this is gonna be day one of trying something new. So cute in there. I got lemonade. At first I wasn't gonna get nothing. Got some sauce. This is cheese sauce. This is garlic sauce. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. When I say it smells so good, like I don't even know what to expect. I don't even really know what this is. It's like a pizza. It's on bread. It has chicken, parmesan, ketchup. This garlic sauce, I'm trying to figure out, like, does it go with the fries or does it go on the pizza? Whatever this is. Okay. It's good. And then we have this cheese sauce. Look at me trying new stuff. Let's take the first bite. It smells good. It's actually pretty good. Let's see, I'm gonna do both of the sauces. I could do this. That is like really good. And the lemonade is just like see, it looks like a pizza. I can come back to this. It's not like that Chipotle at all. Alright, y'all. I'm going.